In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to slice a photo in Canva. We'll start inside your project. With your design open, click on the photo you want to slice so it's actively selected. You'll know it's selected when you see a bounding box around it. Now look to the toolbar above the canvas and click Edit. Depending on your layout, this may appear as Edit Photo. Either way, it opens the same controls you need. Inside the Editor panel, find the Apps section. If only a few apps are visible, click See All to open the full list. Use the search bar there to type Slice, then select the Slice app from the results. This loads a set of creative slice effects designed specifically for photos. You'll see several style options: chipped, sliced, minced, and torn. Think of these as different personalities for the same technique. Chipped gives a rugged, broken edge look. Sliced creates clean, separated bands. Minced breaks the image into compact segments. Torn adds organic, ripped textures. Click the style that matches the vibe you want. Your photo updates instantly, so you can preview the result in context. Next, fine-tune the effect with 3 simple controls. Offset adjusts how far the fragments are pushed apart, which changes the overall intensity of the slice. Count controls how many segments your photo is divided into. Higher counts create a more intricate pattern, while lower counts keep it bold and simple. Position lets you nudge where the slices start and how they align, so you can balance the composition with any text or elements on your page. As you experiment, watch how the image interacts with your background and the other layers. Small tweaks often make a big difference. Try subtle changes to offset and count first, then refine position to line things up. If a setting feels overdone, step it back until your subject remains clear and the effect supports your design rather than overpowering it. And remember, you can always undo a change if you want to compare versions. Once you're happy with the look, you're done. You've successfully sliced a photo using Canva's Slice app, chosen a style, and dialed in offset count and position for a polished result. Use this technique to add motion, energy, or texture to social posts, thumbnails, and presentations. Thanks for watching, and enjoy creating your sliced photo designs in Canva.